this seems to be a common question coming up in the test, where they ask us to avoid this road, Manor Park Road, or they would just say in the question, Manor Park Road is closed. So the idea would be to make a plan how we're going to go from this green marker all the way to this red by avoiding Manor Park Road. Now, if I give you guys an example of some of the common mistakes, so I'm heading towards this direction. I'm allowed to come out onto Craven Park and go down here. If I go straight here, that'll be a mistake because that's a one-way symbol. So I could follow the arrow here, follow the arrow here. Now, bearing in mind, I still want to get here and I still need to avoid Manor Park Road. The idea would be to go around. Now, what I meant by common mistakes is a lot of people just come in here and go into Bolton Road and go for these inner roads to try to connect somehow around. Now, the mistake is here. Manor Park Road did not start where the M is. It actually started at the beginning of the road in line with this. If I could make a straight line here, this is the beginning of the road. It doesn't necessarily have to start where the letter is. When they say Manor Park Road, it actually starts from this section. If you enter from here, you've technically have gone into Manor Park Road. So the idea is to not go through there. If I delete that and go a few steps back, I can go into St. Mary's Road. So this would be okay to do. Go through Harlesden Road, come out, or Harlesden Gardens, come out here. Now, Manor Park Road ended where the full stop is. You can see there's a full stop, so technically it finishes in line with this. So I can come out of Park Parade, turn left onto High Street and go in through here. If I zoom in, that's absolutely acceptable, no issues with that. So that's one way of doing it. The other way to complete this route, I'll do it in a different color. If I was to come and turn here and come down this road, this line here, a lot of people get confused with. This is either a station or something above you, so you can go through that. If I go across this B road, so these are yellow roads we're allowed to use. And as we're going through this yellow road, just to highlight one thing, this road here is called a restricted road. So that's a road that you wouldn't be able to enter. So continue our journey onto High Street, come down here and go across. Make sure we zoom in closer to the red. So stop the drawing there. So if you can see my original route that I didn't really get close to it. So the idea would be to go closer or finish near the red. Get rid of that. So if I zoom out these two now, there's two routes, both of them are acceptable. In my opinion, I will go with the green one as it is a little bit more direct than the first one. So guys, please remember, there's loads of ways to go from green to red. They're always going to ask us to take the most direct route. But in this case, the most direct route would have been to just go through Manor Park Road, had it not been closed. But because Manor Park Road is closed, we had no option but to either go around here or go around through that way. Like I say, both is acceptable. They may take off 1 or 2 points from the blue one, and with the green one, you're most likely to get full marks. These are worth 20 marks, so please pay extra attention to these ones. Thank you very much for watching.